How to enable OneDrive Personal Vault. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to enable Personal Vault on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now on the Files tab right here, you can see the Vault right here. Select it. Now to access Personal Vault, tap on to Start Using right here. Select it. Then tap on to Continue. Then verify your identity. Now follow the setup instructions. Follow on-screen instructions to complete setup. Once enabled, you can move files into Personal Vault for extra security. Your sensitive files are now stored securely with an extra layer of protection inside OneDrive. And that's it. This is how you can enable OneDrive Personal Vault. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.